Well, I know the way back. No, I've been up here. Well, not all the way up here. Just south of it to 176, so I know where we are. Because I was planning to come up here. Yeah, the way we came in.
Over that bridge.
Uh-huh.
And then
When we get to the...
left when we get
Yeah. Wow. So you good?
I don't know. I'm taking off. I need more rope.
Oh yeah, you gotta lean over. Duh. They're about 16 miles somewhere. Oh yeah, you gotta go over the saddlebag. Try to go over here near crossbar, low crossbar. Yeah, you're taller, should we get over there? I'm the one that have problem, man.
Yeah, you got problems getting over there. Yeah.
Yeah. I try to.
Okay.
Okay. So we good?
Let's see what one does now. Whoa!
Oh. Now you reset that. Now it's just reset.
Put it on 0 through 5.
Okay.
But 0 means you got nothing. On these, if it's on 0, you got throttle. I don't know if I
Zeros
can
means
change
zero. Uh-oh.
I like to be on 0 and still have throttle.
Try to look at it as one then. I don't know.
I don't know what it does, but that's how that's set up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. No, not quite. All I hear was the tires. Hi. Okay. Do it again. I want to hear that. Motor kicks in. Oh, yeah, with the bridge. Yeah, I hear the word. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, listen to the motor kicks in. Kind of.
Not the tire. It's the motor.
Ah.
Those weird motors are planetary flight. I guess that's what you call that kind of thing.
Yeah, that's the motor I've been hearing. First I... I see, I hear it, yeah. Yeah, it sounds almost like deep noise like the tires too.
Oh, yeah.
See, yeah, I hear the tires are a constant noise, but I'm listening to the other stuff. Hi. So I listen to that, kind of cool. Don't follow the trail what it tells you. No, yeah, go this way. This way. DPR. Let's just take us back to the park. On your left. Oh! So it's a little bit better now? Yeah, a little bit, no? Or any worse? Okay, are we going the right way? Yep. Yeah, 120. We came in here. It's open. Hey, hold it. Why are we going north? Are we going north? Northeast? Well, yeah, we're heading north. We should be going south. We should be heading south for the sun. Alright. Okay. Turn back. I guess I didn't see the sign that good. I just went in a row. This way going south. Yeah, this is the way south. That's where we came out. To make a left and then a straight. We're going south now. This is the correct way. Okay. Uh-huh. Hi. Hi. How you doing? On your left. Snap a picture.
Oh. Make a few.
What do you mean?
The seat's got to need some adjustment. The horn is too high. It's cool to put the seat all the way down on this thing, but you can't pedal it. With the damn.
Oh, you get one.
You're like on a chopper. You're,
Oh.
you know.
You could do one of
Look
those.
at the walnuts on it.
Oh, wow.
Waiting to drop on your head.
Yeah. Christmas thing. There's a, yeah. Yeah, you see a lot of them out there. Wow. Hard shell staining.
Oh, I don't think I turned my camera on.
Did you turn that? Yeah, mine's still running. I think it is. Good idea to check. Still running. I can see the flashing red. Cool, I think we get good video this time. Okay.
I'm following you, so none of this is my fault.
Okay. All right.
I've been following you.
Well, unless you want to leave, you're welcome to it. All right, I think. Yeah, it's much easier. Just stay behind, you know. Yeah, the thing about staying behind is easy. You don't have to leave. Just, you know, follow along. Less pressure. Less work. On your left. I think it's back there. I gotta turn back.
when I thought they were initially saying that started in 2016.